Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set an automated shutdown for your Windows computer. So if you are going to go away from your computer at a certain time, or maybe you're going to go to bed and you don't want to wait up to shut down your computer, this tutorial will be for you. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, and you want to type in Task Scheduler. Best match should say Task Scheduler. You want to left click on that. Now on the right side here, you want to left click on Create Basic Task. Now you want to name this task whatever you want. I'm going to just say Automatic Shutdown for the purpose of this tutorial. And then you can add a description. So let's say shutdown at 12 o'clock p.m. and then I'm going to put today's date. So I'm just going to say shutdown at 12 o'clock p.m. and then I'm going to left click on next. So it's going to say when do you want this task to start. So let's just say we're going to do one time. You're welcome to do different intervals as well. You can do daily, weekly, monthly, whenever you log on or whatnot, which I actually would probably not recommend you do whenever you log on or when the computer starts. It's probably not a good idea to set it up for that, but one time should be sufficient. So I'm going to left click on next. And now for the start time, I'm going to change the time in here to say 12 o'clock. And I'm just using my number keys on my keyboard to change the time interval in here. So I have the date and then I have the time in here as well. And then I'm going to left click on next. It's going to say what action do you want the task to perform. You want to select start a program and then select next. In this area that says browse, left click. And now you want to just type into this area, you want to type in shutdown. And now you want to look for something that says shutdown. So I'm just typing in shutdown to file name here. And then I'm just going to left click on shutdown.exe. And then I'm going to left click on open. Now where it says add an argument, I'd recommend typing in a / in here. So /s. And now you want to do another /f. Basically you just want all programs to quit here. Once you're done typing that in, left click on next. And then you want to left click on finish here. And now in order to see the task, you can see it, if we left click on the task schedule library folder right here on the left, we can see our task that was created. If we drag over the name here, we can see I named it automatic shutdown, 12 o'clock p.m. and then I have today's date. So pretty straightforward, and I do hope this tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.